I'm 17 years old and I make 6 figures a year strictly online, and I'm gonna tell you guys how I do it. I wanted to talk about all my sources of income and kind of give you guys some ideas of how you can monetize yourself on the internet, because honestly, it's so much easier than people think. So my first source of income and my biggest one is my business that I run. I run it through Shopify and I've done it for 4 years now. I have steady income there. It's called Boardwalk Beads if you want to go check it out. I'm gonna make a separate video on how to start a business and like tips that I would give anyone of any age to start a business. But other than my business, I actually do YouTube. A lot of people have this misconception that YouTube is outdated and oversaturated, but it's a search engine and you can make so much money once you get monetized. I feel like income transparency isn't a thing that really people on the internet do, and I think it's inspiring to hear about others, so I'm gonna be kind of transparent with you guys. I'm not bragging, I just wanna kind of inspire you guys to realize the opportunities that are out there. So my biggest YouTube video was a tutorial on how to make these little flower bracelets, and I think I made $7,000 in the past 2 years off that video, and it still makes money to this day. So that's the great thing about YouTube. Once you post a video, it is on the internet forever. It will make you money potentially for the rest of your life. So my second source of income is Amazon storefront, which doesn't make me a lot of money, but I'll make videos on my TikTok promoting like items that I like, and I, design my storefront the way I like it. And I mean, it's free money. If you're an influencer or you're trying to become an influencer, on storefront is a great way to make some money to like invest in your influencing stuff. You know what I mean? Third stream of income is through Depop. I sell and flip a lot of clothes that I thrift, go through clothes really fast, and I love buying clothes. So I make it my goal once a month at least to go through my closet and sell everything that I don't wear. And I make so much money off Depop, like it's a great way to reinvest into buying new things. Final source of income is a print-on-demand store that I have, which I honestly haven't put as much work into it as I wish I had, but print-on-demand is a fantastic way to make money if you are an artist, if you like designing things, or even if you don't. There are so many ways where you can make money printing on demand through Etsy and Shopify. So I can make a separate video on that if you guys want to hear about that. Cute boy just drove by me. It's really awkward. So those are my main sources of income, and I'm gonna make more in-depth videos on how to get started with business, YouTube, stuff like that. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. Ask any questions and I can make videos and I can reply and help you guys out if you need it.